Namaskar everyone. Happy New Year 2021. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Students, as you know, today is Saturday. We will do the aptitude, and in our previous lecture we have completed chapter 18 mathematical operation till half of page number 49. Okay, so from today we will do the page number 49 from question number 7. Okay, so let's start. What is our question number 7? Here is Nishi reads a 252 pages book in a week. She reads same number of pages each day. It means वो हर दिन एक बराबर ही पेजेस रीड करती है. ओके, हाउ मैनी पेजेस डिड शी रीड ईच डे? तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ पेजेस in each day. Each day means every day. Every day, how many pages did she read every day? Okay, Nishi is a girl and she reads 252 pages book in a week. In a week means it means in 7 days. 1 week, a week is equal to, a week has 7 days. It means Nishi reads 252 pages in a 7 days. Now we have to find out how many pages did she read each day. So let's see how we will find this answer. Do the solution. Okay, as you know, Nishi reads 252 pages books in a week. Okay, so 1 week is equal to, you know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay, so 7 days is equal to 252 pages. Okay, so now we have to find out 1 day pages. Means उसने 1 day में कितने pages पढ़े थे. Okay, so 1 day is equal to 252 divided by 7. Okay, when you will divide 252 by 7, then you will get quotient 36. Okay, we have to see, here is 252 and our divisor is 7. So let's see, we have a 25 in a table of 7. We have a 25. Let's see, read the table. No, we have 21. Okay, so take 21. Okay, so 21 will come in 3 times, so write here 3. Okay, and now do the subtraction. Then we will get 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have a 4 and 4 is small than 7. Okay, and in division we need greater dividend. Okay, so make greater. So for making dividend greater, we will take the 2 here. Okay, so put down 2. Now it will become 42. Now see 42 in the table of 7. So here is a 7. Yes, we have 42 on the place 6. Okay, 7 6 are 46. So now do the subtraction. We will get 0. Remainder 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have 36 quotients. Okay, so write here 36. It means Nishi read 36 pages every day or each day. Okay, now the question number 8. Question number 8. See here, question number 8. What is here? When the divisor and the dividend are equal, then the quotient is always equal. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Yes, look here how we have 42 divisor and 42 dividend. Okay, and in next question we have 10 divisor and 10 dividend. Okay, so let's see, when we will divide both the number, then we will get the same quotients. Same quotient. See here, 42 divided by 40, we will get one quotient. How? 42 1 ja 42, so we have a one quotient. Now we will divide 10 by 10, then we will get one quotient. 10 1 ja 10, it means quotient will equal, will always equal. Okay, when the divisor and the dividend are equal, then the quotient is always equal. So this statement is true. Right here yes. Okay, now we have a question here, 9 number question. 22,222 divided by 200 gives quotient. It will give us 111 quotient and 22 remainder. Look how it will give. Look here, when we will divide, we will take 222 3 digit, because our divisor having 3 digits. So we will see, now we will see the 222 in a table of 200. So we don't have 222 in a table of 200, so we will take 200 in one time. Okay, so 200, then divide it. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have 22. Again put down 2 here, then it will become again 222. Then same we will do, we will take 200. Okay, and then we will again get the remainder 22. Again put down 2 here, then again we have 222. So again we will take 200 in one time, then subtract it. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have remainder 22. So write 111 quotient and 22 remainder. Okay, 111 quotient and remainder 22. Now we have a question. Find the quotient when we divide 111 by 11. So what we will get when we will divide 1111 by 11. So 11 1 ja 11. Again, now we will put down the 1 here, but 1 is smaller than the divisor. Divisor is 11 and a dividend is 1. So we will again take this 1 here. But before इसे नीचे रखने से पहले, जब हम एक बार में 2 डिजिट उतारते हैं, सो वी विल टेक 0 हियर फर्स्टली, देन वी विल टेक 1. ओके, so it will become 11, then 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11. So we have 101 quotient of answer number 10. Okay, 101 quotient. जब हम 1111 को 11 से डिवाइड करते हैं, then we will get 101 quotient. Okay, now we will do the page number 50. Page number 50. Okay, here is given some instructions, we have to follow it. Here is star means plus, so जहाँ भी star है we have to put here plus, and plus means minus, it means जहाँ भी plus है we will change into minus. Okay, and triangle means multiply, it means wherever we have a triangle we will change it into multiply, and has means divide, it means change the has into division. Okay, so let's start our question. (212 * 715) and star means we have star means plus, so change the symbol, right here plus, and do the addition. When you will add 212 and 715, then it will come 5 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 927. Okay, now the second question is 999 plus 231, but here is given that plus means subtraction, so change the symbol, right here minus, and do the subtraction. 999 minus 231, so 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, so we have 768. Okay, now we have 132 triangle 6, and triangle means multiply, so change the symbol, right here multiply. Okay, and now do the multiplication. 136 multiply by 132 multiply by 6, so 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 1 is equal to 19, 19 1 is here and 1 is 9 is here and 1 for carry over, so 6 1 is 6 and 1 7, so we have 792. Okay, now the question number 4, we have 272 has 2, and has means had means division, has means division, right here division. Now do the division. When you will do the division, 272 divided by 2, it means 2 1 ja 2. Now put down 7 here, so 2 3 is 6, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, again write down 2, so 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12, so 136 is our answer. Our quotient is 136. Okay, now see here question number 9. What you have to do, firstly 125 star 206 is given, so you know star means see here star means plus, so put here plus. Okay, now do the plus. When you will plus to 125 plus and 206 is equal to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, 11 ka 1, let's see again, 125 206, do the addition because star means plus, so 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, 1 carry, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 and 1 carry is equal to 3. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, so it means 331. Now again here is a symbol of star, again plus, change it into plus, it means now you have to plus 331 with 402 साथ 331 को प्लस करना है, सो 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 30 plus is equal to 3, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 333. Here is equal to, this is 733, here is 31, 331, we have a 331. Okay, पहला आंसर जो था हमारा वो 331 था, then when we will plus 331 with 442 we will get 733. 733 is our answer. Okay, so now question 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 12 you have to do in your HW. Okay, complete question 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and after then 10, 11 and 12 on page number 50 in HW. Okay everyone, so now take care everyone. Once again, happy new year.